fly. One of those things that will come up with, say in the comprehension, will say, what does fly mean as used in the passage? Or it will give you, say, 4 definitions of fly, and you have to work out which one isn't true. Or it might be in the sort of verbal reasoning ones where you get 3 words and you have to match them up with another 3 words. And you'll need to hold that it has a number of different meanings, not just the one. So the first fly is as in like a buzzy bee, but they're not bees at all. Like bzzz. Tell you what, we had a fly trap this year. And my goodness, did it catch the flies. I mean, it caught them by the litre. Yes, the litre. But it stank. Oh, and I'm sure there were flies coming from half of Wiltshire in these great swarms. Just get caught in our fly trap, which was on a warm sunny day, eye-wateringly bad. Then we've got to hurry. Let's think. Do you know Lord of the Rings, when Gandalf is about to go down with the Balrog into the fiery depths below, and he's just hanging onto the side, and he goes, "Fly, you fools, fly!" It means run fast, go like the wind, just go for it, leg it, mate. And then to flap, seagulls fly over the beach. I've just come back from a walk on the beach, and it has been covered with dogs, well, up to half a dozen, chasing off the seagulls. And the dogs feel that they've been, yeah, I saw that seagull off, flew away. How good to be a dog. See you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, have I turned it off?